everybody, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new. It is currently Christmas morning of 2020, and if you guys have been on my channel here for a while, then you guys know that every year I do a what I got for Christmas haul, which is just going to be what today's video is. This is actually my 7th year doing it, and if you have missed any of my previous years, I will have all the videos linked down below, starting back in 2014. And as a little disclaimer, like everyone else, I'm not trying to brag in any way, shape, or form. I am super grateful and thankful for everything I got. I also want to mention that this is a combined birthday and Christmas haul, because for those of you who do not know, my birthday was actually on December 20th, and I turned 26. Yes, I know I look like I'm 14, but I am in fact 26. So if it does seem like I got a lot of gifts, it is simply because it's combined between my birthday and Christmas. As always, I will try to have as many of the products mentioned in this video listed down below in case you guys are interested in purchasing any of them. And now that I've gone on long enough, let's jump into my haul. First, I'm going to start with all of the raccoon related items I got. For those of you who do not know, I love raccoons. The first thing I got was a book, and this is just Pumpkin, the Raccoon Who Thought She Was a Dog by Laura Young. I have not read it yet, but I have flipped through it and it looks super cute. I actually follow Pumpkin on Instagram, and Pumpkin actually passed away, but Pumpkin's mom still keeps the account active and is always posting on it. Then something on the top of my Christmas list that I had seen at Walmart one day was this canvas with a raccoon wearing a Santa hat. I also got this funny poster that I'm going to frame and put in my bathroom, since my bathroom is wilderness themed, and it just says, "Your butt napkins, my lady," with a raccoon holding a roll of toilet paper. Now moving on to raccoon related clothing, I got socks. The first pair is just a fall themed pair, and the second pair are Christmas themed, which also have grips on the bottom so you don't slip. I also got a funny shirt, and it is just black and says "Just a Girl Who Loves Raccoons," and obviously it has a raccoon on it. I got this mini building blocks raccoon that came with 339 pieces, and I actually put this together already, and it took me well over an hour to do because of how small the pieces are, but it came out super cute. This is just how small the pieces are. I am convinced that these were originally made for elves and fairies to be putting together. Lastly, in terms of raccoon items, I think my step-grandmother wins it all because she found these adorable raccoon earrings for me, and I am obsessed with them. They are the cutest things I have ever seen, and I am so excited for them. Moving on to clothing related items, I got a few more pairs of socks. The first pair just has cute otters on it, and then this second pair has a bunch of cats. Then for tops, I got this short sleeve striped shirt, which came from Kohl's, and I also got this LL Bean full zip fleece from my grandparents, which is just in the color gray. I also got a lot of hygiene and beauty related things, and the first one is a new toothbrush, but it is not just any toothbrush. It is the new Philips One Sonicare electric toothbrush, and I got it in the color Miami, which is just a coral pink color. If you've been on my channel a while, you've seen that I do have a regular Sonicare toothbrush that I use daily, but I've had it for a long time, and I wanted this one since it is more compact. And they also got me some extra brush heads to go along with it. I also got a new makeup bag. It is just the Vera Bradley medium cosmetic bag in the pattern Itsy Ditsy Floral. I really like this one because it has plastic on the inside and outside, so the fabric won't get stained at all. If you saw my Christmas haul from last year, you guys would have seen that I did get new bath towels from Martha Stewart that I ended up loving. I only got 2 of those last year, so I went ahead and put 2 more on my list for this year. But this year I decided to go with a different color, and these ones are just in the color Morning Dove, which is just a light charcoal gray color. This next gift is one I knew about because I actually picked it out myself, and it is the original Makeup Eraser 7-day set. Basically, these are small towels that you add water to, and they are supposed to take off all your makeup. If you would like, I can also do a first impressions and review of them, so just let me know in the comments. I also got a holiday PR package from Fresh, which is one of my absolute favorite makeup and skincare companies. Last year they sent me their holiday lip set, and this year they sent me their self-care masking set, which came with the sugar face polish, the rose face mask, the black tea firming overnight mask, and the black tea instant perfecting mask. They also sent me the travel essentials, which includes the soy face cleanser, the Lotus Youth Preserve Dream face cream, the rose deep hydration face cream, and the advanced therapy sugar lip treatment. And then from my mom's best friend, I got this nail polish set, and they're from Orly, and it is part of their Desert Muse set, which was released this past fall. I absolutely love all the colors, and I can't wait to use them. Lastly, for hygiene and beauty, I got 3 things from Bath & Body Works. The first 2 are both in the scent Snowflakes and Cashmere, and for that I got the body lotion, and I also got the hand cream. I also also got 2 hand sanitizers, which are both in the scent Champagne Toast. As for electronics, one of the most exciting gifts I got this year was a Cricut, and it is something my mom and I will both be sharing. She actually got this before Black Friday when Walmart did a flash deal where the Cricut Explore Air was on sale for $140, and they ended up selling out within minutes. If any of you want me to do some Cricut related videos, definitely let me know in the comments. I also got a bunch of different accessories. I got a bunch of different tools, and I also got a set of vinyl that came with 70 pieces. Like the past few years, I also got a few Grey's Anatomy items, and the first one is a coffee mug that my mom got for me and my best friend. The quote on it is just, "You are my person, you will always be my person." And on the other side, there are 2 girls who were customized to look like my best friend and I. Lastly, I can't physically show you the last few Grey's Anatomy items I got, but I did end up getting 4 Funko Pops that my mom pre-ordered for me on Amazon. I will go ahead and insert pictures of what they do look like. I won't physically be getting them until March of 2021 when they are released, but I'm sure I will share them with you here on my channel as soon as I do get them. Moving on to what my best friend got me. She got me this cute pair of raccoon socks because she knows how much I love raccoons. She also got me this really cute water bottle that says "Best Aunt Ever" that literally had me in tears because even though I am not blood related, her boys do call me auntie. She also gave me this friendship bracelet with a sunflower on it, and she has the other half, as well as this journal. So that is everything that I got this year for my birthday and Christmas. I do want to go ahead and thank everyone who sent me birthday wishes over on Instagram and here on YouTube. I really appreciate it. And again, like I said earlier, I am super thankful and grateful for everything that I did get this year. And if you have missed my past 6 what I got for Christmas and birthday hauls, I will leave them all in the description box for you guys. I started doing them way back in 2014. I hope you all have a Merry Christmas or Happy Holiday. Obviously, due to COVID, I'm sure a lot of families' Christmases have looked a lot different than normal, but I still hope everyone enjoyed it. If you guys liked this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, be sure to leave them down below. While you guys are down there, be sure to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. I upload new content regularly and would love it if you become part of our little family. Also, be sure to hit the bell if you have not already so that you do in fact receive a notification every time I do upload a new video. I hope you guys like this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys!